Hi, my lovelies. So we are doing a clearing on narcissistic disorder. So this isn't about other people's narcissism and their effects on you. This is about all of us have a degree of narcissism within us. And this is about that narcissistic disorder. And we have it at varying degrees. But this is what this clearing is about. So ensure you're 100% open to receiving healing, and let's get started on this. And this is a request from somebody. I do work through the requests. I've still got a huge list. I always choose the most popular ones first. That's going to appeal to the most people. So this is clearing narcissistic disorder, which we've all got in varying degrees. So what's it running at? 0 positive, especially in this entitled world. There's so much entitlement out there these days, and I deserve this, I'm entitled to this, which is just all rubbish. We're not entitled to anything. That's the ego speaking. So 0 positive, 100 negative. And it's at incarnational level of consciousness. So let's clear that up to 100 positive, down to 0 negative. Up to 100 positive, down to 0 negative. And all the way up to radiant love, new paradigm level of consciousness. Clearing away any narcissistic behaviours within us. For our highest good. Okay, so where are we going first? Chart 5, blocks and interference. Negative motivations inside. We've got separates going on. Type 1 or type 2, type 3. This is something, type 3 separates, it's not something that's in the SRT. It started clearing already. So this is something that my team's told me about in July this year. It's not something that's taught. They're not similar to type 2. They are from a higher level, apparently. So we're just going to ask that they're cleared and removed. Type 3 separates. So this isn't part of what you get taught on the SRT. This is something additional that's been said to me since. So for any SRT practitioners out there, yeah, this is something new that was given to me. And maybe experienced practitioners out there have had that given to them as well. So we get a lot of extra information from the teams that we work with. So we're all different, and we all work differently as well. And we're all working at different levels of consciousness and with different teams. So you'll never get 2 clearings that are the same from practitioners. You'll always get different results, because it's working through the consciousness of the individual that's doing the clearing. Okay, anything else? Yeah, there's something else on here, I feel. So anything on the inside. Imprints of brain damage. Okay, we definitely want those removed. So let's clear all imprints of brain damage. So that's strongly held beliefs, really. They don't necessarily belong to us, though. I think Dolores Cannon had a slightly different definition for imprints from when I remember. But imprinted brain damage is sometimes registered at birth. This is according to Robert Detzler. The birth process may have been long and difficult, and the doctor may have used forceps in the delivery process and thought, I hope I don't damage this child's brain. And the child may have recorded it as actual brain damage and could manifest that imprint as part of its expression. Seldom is there actually any brain damage. That's what the book says about it. So thoughts have power. Chart 16 is the fall of consciousness. Belief of falling from grace. So let's clear that away, please. Chart 29, which is final blessing. First astral body, conscious mind. So let's clear that away. I do want to do a clearing on the first astral body as well, actually. I think that's important. So the first astral body is the second body that is created, and it is a conscious mind body. The information of the embryo, divine plan and first draft are recorded in the DNA and chromosomes of the first astral body. And we're looking at chart 31, which is memory clearing. We're clearing the 2,600 pathways. It's an evolutionary path for the soul. Let's just clear that away through Godhead and Spirit. Most of us have come through the 2,600 pathways, which is through the animal kingdom. Most of us have come, so which is part of the 2,600 pathways. So the 2,600 pathways are the pathways of evolution that lead to human expression. There are 136 major categories involved in the 2,600 paths. One of the categories is animal, which consists of 540 of the total 2,600. All paths are prior to and precede the creation of mankind as a spiritual body / living soul. The paths in total contain everything that is the embryo, divine plan, first draft, 83 waves of expression, and rim of creation. When the first 6 inches below chart 3, that's the level of consciousness chart, are indicated, it involves the 2,600 pathways. Below that are the waves of expression, and further below that is the rim of creation. So it is our evolutionary path before human expression, but we often still hang on to programs. Can you imagine then hanging on to animal programs and other more basic programs before our so-called intelligent consciousness that we have now is fully expressed? Okay, are we ready for mop-up? So we're going to mop up now. This is where the bulk of the clearing takes place by the teams on the other side of life using their 200 plus charts. We're just doing a very, very quick mop-up for you. It's like a little tidy up, clearing away the bulk of the clearing, bulk of the programs that need to be cleared. Remembering this is just a mini clearing on narcissistic disorder. So this isn't clearing your experiences from being or living with or having some kind of relationship with a narcissist. This is about our own narcissistic tendencies, our own narcissistic disorders and behaviours, because we all have them at varying levels, varying degrees. Right, are we done? Yeah, is there any other business to clear? No. So where are we now? So still the Akashic records. Positive, negative, that's good. All at 100 positive, 0 negative. and at radiant love, new paradigm level. Wunderbar. That's the only German I know. Lovely to see you again. Drink plenty of water. Don't do more than a couple of these a day, and take care of yourselves, and I will see you on the next clearing. Okay, lots of love. Bye.